Today we are going to explore crystallization. We only need two things really. We need water and we need salt. Now let's begin the experiment. The first thing we will do is we will make this shape. It looks a bit like 4 loops. Maybe you can look at it like a butterfly. So go ahead and take some felt and let's make some loops. When you're done, you're going to attach it to a stick. The second thing we're going to do is add salt to the water. This decreases the boiling point of the water. Add 5 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to boil the water for 5 minutes. Good. When you add salt to the water, it lowers the boiling point, so it boils faster. Let's place the loops inside the water. Science. Let it soak for over 24 hours. After 24 hours, it'll look like this. The salt has crystallized to our loops. Good job today. Goodbye. Technology.